Hi sellers, welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for mastering Amazon Seller Central. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if Amazon has credited your promotion credits. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're logged in, head to the Advertising section in the main menu and select Campaign Manager. This will redirect you to the Amazon Advertising panel. Now that you're in the Amazon Advertising panel, look for the Administration option in the menu. Click on it, and then select Sponsored Ads Billing from the drop-down. Here's will take you to the Ads Billing page, where you'll see three main options: Billing, Payment Settings, and Promotion. Credit. To view your promotion credits, click on Promotion Credit. Here, you'll find a summary of your available credits for running campaigns. By scrolling down, you can view a detailed list of redeemed or expired promotion credits. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to checking free promotion credits to run ads in Amazon Seller Central. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Amazon tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy selling!